So Kevin, a lot of customers want one camera to be able to see a wide angle or all around large picture. What does Sony have to offer that's exciting that they want to come here to take a look at today?
Sony's extremely excited to be able to present our new multi-sensor camera. It's a 20 megapixel, 4-head, 5 megapixel imaging camera. Each head has independent, you can go from a 360 view to a 180 degree view. You can then even set it in 4 different ways. So if you're trying to catch like a hallway, you can shoot down each way of the hallway. If you want to do in a corner of a building, you can set it so you can go all the way around the corner of the building, which is usually more than 180 degrees because it's right on the corner. Right. So you're replacing multiple cameras with that one camera. And you can see with the each individual lens pointing in different directions, the depth of view on them gives you a great view all the way back into it, even back into the sign on the vehicles in the back. Upstairs in our tech suite, we have another camera that's set up that we're showing it, and we're shooting out of the 35th floor of the tech suite over towards Treasure Island, and you can go over and make out all the individual windows from our tech suite. Wow. Across the way, and you're shooting it out the window, so the wide dynamic range is just phenomenal with it.
It's very exciting. It sounds like a very flexible camera.
It is.
And great picture, obviously. So now we're taking a look at the amazing VB770. This camera is ultra low light and has 4K resolution. So something new that we're looking at is this housing here. Can you please tell us a little more about that?
Yes, what we're doing is that we have the VB770 with the ultra light and the 35 millimeter sensor, full frame sensor on it, and the Exmor R that gives us that ultra low light. One big request we have with it is to be able to move it in different areas, say covering like an airport or covering an ITS type application where they want to see multiple areas. And this year what we are presenting is our new pan-tilt housing that mounts the camera inside there, and with the pan-tilt housing you're able to move that camera now around just like a PTZ camera, giving that added flexibility and making the camera more than just a one shot. Now they can sit there and move it to different areas that they need to show it to give them better coverage of what's going on, making the camera a lot more versatile for the cost of the camera.
So Kevin, at the very front of the booth, it's drawing a lot of attention. We have the SNC EMX series. I see some analytics going on here. Can you please tell us a little bit more about that?
Sony's also excited that we're releasing 2 new mini dome series. The one that we're showing here, spotlighting, is our 5 megapixel cameras. We also have the same in the 2 megapixel series. In the 5 megapixel series, we're introducing a lot of new technologies. It has H.265 in it. It has analytics built into the camera now. One thing that really stands this camera apart is that a lot of 5 megapixels do 4:3 aspect ratio. We're actually doing ours in 16:9.
So if you're here at the show, stop by, see the Sony booth, see all the exciting features that we have to offer. If not, as always, reach out to Chesapeake, and we're happy to do a demo, show product off, anything to help out.